everyone and welcome to e-class time. Dear friends, today we are going to see class 8 chapter 4, and the chapter 4 is all about further more of with MS Access. What is this MS Access? MS Access is one of the advanced or most popular database database management system, and about this already we have learned it. Introduction of MS Access is already done. That part, in case you have not watched, in the playlist you will find it, dear friends. You please watch it from there, then only then you can have a connection. Now in this video we are going to see how to we are going to learn some of the terms related to this database. Dear friends, related to what called MS Access. Now in the MS Access, what do? We make a chart only, yes or no, and we keep the record. Suppose we are learning that, suppose we are given exam, we are told to maintain the record of the students. We will write the names. We will write here name, then we'll write the maybe date of birth of the student, maybe the address of the student. That way we will go on writing, yes or no. So the first word we are going to see here, first term about MS Access we are going to see is the field name. What is the word field name mean? Dear friends, when we make the table, there are columns like this, that in this area whatever detail is there, those are the names we know. In this area whatever numbers are there, those numbers are date of birth, because it is on top, it is date of birth. In this area whatever is the name given, whatever is the word given, they are only address, nothing else. So that means we are creating an area. This area is only for the number, that also only for the dates, those will be only dates. These are only for the text, and only names only will be there, no any other text. That means this area creating, this is known as field. This is name field, this is date of birth field, this is address field. That way it is known as field name. Dear friend, this field names has few features given in your book. Like this field name can be written with the letter also you can use, like in NAMA name, that way. You may use more than letter, you may give number also, you may give spaces also, special characters are also included. But bracket and on bracket, period, exclamation, exclamatory marks, those symbols are not used when we use the field name. Dear friends, those symbols if you enter, they will not accept it. Suppose I give name, I write name here and give bracket, it won't accept, it will say error, there is error. So that way. Another option it gives, like it cannot be more than 64 character, NAME. How many characters? Only 4 characters. So name, whatever field name we want to write, that should not be more than 64 characters. Dear friends. Then it cannot start with leading space. Suppose I wanted to write here name, but before that only I gave a space here. Kept some gap. It will not accept. No space in the field name. And the same property. It cannot save as property name. Already name is being a reserved word. So if you want to put again name, it won't accept. It is a reserved word, it will be there only. Dear friends, understood, no? So this is all about fields. Now it is telling us data type. Next term we are going to see is data type. By the way, I am taking it from your book, page number 33. What is data type, dear friends? If I say name here, and if somebody is filling up 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 5, that way, do you think that this is the correct one? It is asking for name, it is not asking for number. Name is always text, that means we know that, yes or no. The data type, name has to be text. What type of data? Text. Data means the information. What about data? Text. Date of birth. If date of birth is given, and if date of birth is given like this, fine, I will take the other one, mobile number. Suppose here it is written mobile number, and down I am writing my name here with alphabet. Will it accept? No, it has to be number here. So those tags here, number, those things are type of data. Phone means what type of data? Number data. Tag name, what type of data? Text data. That way those are known as data type, and it has plenty difference, plenty. Like some places we need to give auto number, serial number comes automatically. Some places we need to type text, some places we need to give number, some places currency. Suppose you are making a chart of salary, okay, salary, this man is getting this much, so that will be rupees. Whatever number we enter, it has to be in rupees format. So some places it will be currency, some places it will be date and time. Suppose we are keeping a record of a person visiting the schools every day, so date and time, at what time, date, that also that format. Some places yes or no. So when we fill the form, okay, whether you are a student, this scholarship only is only for the student. Are you a student? Yes or no, only that. So like that many of the data types are there. Okay dear friends, now these things will be more clear with you all only when you see how to create a table in the desktop or in the laptop using MS Access. Okay, so without getting delayed, let us go back to the laptop and try to see, how to create a file. Okay, there will be using, dear friends, design view. There are two types of views. Okay, two types of views, and those are data sheet view and design view. So decorating of table will be doing it in design view. Of course, data sheet view also I will explain you in the table itself. Okay dear friends, so let us go. So to have the MS Access opened, okay, what do we need to do? Sometimes it will be here in the desktop itself, dear friends, and if it is not there, we can simply give a right click, go to new and open a desktop access file. Okay, from here we can open it. Okay, it will be showing if it is installed. If not, if we are not doing it this way, the other way also we can do is we can click here in the start button and we can find it. Mine is here, MS Access 2016. So just give a click there and the MS Access, okay, your application will get will open. It will show, it will ask you whether you want to use a blank page, okay, blank desktop data base. Just click there and it will ask for a name, to give the name. So we are just giving it demo class. Okay, so that way we are giving a name and create. So when we press the create button, it will get created and a blank page like this it will appear. Dear friends, in a previous class we had seen it this way. This is where data sheet view, and directly we were entering here, clicking here, okay, we are giving like short text, okay, giving a left click, writing short text. If it is short text, we write here name. Suppose we want to enter the name first, then press enter, it will go to the next one. Okay, click to the next one, click to add here. Now and accordingly we can create the field like name, address, date of birth. We can go on filling it up. Okay, and down we can enter the data. Okay dear friends, today what shall we do is, today we shall see, instead of entering it from here, how can we go to a new how can we go to design view and take it. Okay, so I am creating it again, I am taking a new page. Okay dear friends, taking a new page, this is here. Now here in the left corner you see view option, just give a click there and you will see design view option. Just give a click there and it will ask for a table name. You may give the table name or you may not, just give OK. So this is the table name, design view, dear friends. Here you see on top, here it is written file name, that means field name. We'll have to enter the field name. The other side it is written data type. Suppose it is name, then what type of data we'll need? We'll need text. If it is given phone number, mobile, what shall we give? This side will give number, that way. Okay, so let us start the first one. First one is ID, that means serial number. Okay dear friends, serial number, auto number, it will come automatically. Second one, let us take name, Name, name. After that, just press tab from your tab. Sorry. Okay, this side it is written short text. Sometimes it may appear, sometimes it may not appear. If it is not appearing, no problem, just give, something or the other will appear here. Obviously, just give a click in this V shape arrow here, no, and it will ask whether it is short text, long text. Sometimes the names will be longer. Okay, so better you give long text. So many longer names also can be written. Next, suppose we are in what post, so we give again short text. Okay, fine. Next we give mobile number, date of birth, DOB, and date of birth means here it will be date and time. Telling about marital status. Okay, marital status here. Oh, we'll have to complete status, no, status. So here we can give yes or no. Contact number cannot be in text, yes or no. Contact number cannot be in text, it has to be in number. Then we give next salary, and for salary we give currency. Okay, so these are the field name, these are the data type. Okay, dear friends, we can put again some hyperlink, putting the link and so on, all those options also we can put. Now below this we'll see the types, this long text. Now what is the long text, how much do we need, what is the by default how much is there. Okay, what is the format, those things here down. Also field property about long text, many things, the format of long text we can check here. Okay, and there are some changes can be done, but as for now we don't make any changes. Okay, like marital status, yes, no, do we want yes, no option to come, or simply directly we want no option, the common one, if nobody is writing, whether no option is needed directly, that way, no. Date and time, whether we want the date to appear first or time to appear first, the types, no, what type of input we need, everything we can down from here. Field property, that is also there in your book, from there you can select it. Okay, dear friends, so this is how we can enter the field name and data type from the using that design view. Okay, we go to datasheet view. See friends, this is how it looks. Serial number, name, post, date of birth, marital status, contact number, that way. Suppose we enter the first one, name, Rahul. Okay, then we go to the post. What is he is suppose assistant teacher. Okay, Rahul is assistant teacher. Date of birth, so here one calendar is appearing. Okay, or directly we can give the date from here. All right, now marital status, we can give tick yes or no, so just give tick if married. Contact number, what is the contact number Rahul has. Okay, then salary, how much he gets. Okay, what is the amount. So this way, dear friends, we can and go on entering the values. Okay, hope up to here it is clear. Video is very long, video has become longer, dear friends. Okay, even then since we are showing it on the practical, it is longer. Okay, and rest of it we shall continue, we shall see in the next video. Okay, dear friends.